Welcome back. Your time is 6:26 and our Verify team continues to work for you when it comes to COVID-19 claims.
Yeah, some parents say they want their kids vaccinated, but they're hesitant to use an mRNA vaccine like Pfizer or Moderna.
Arianne Datil with our national Verify team now looks at the status of the more traditional Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
With kids back in the classroom, we're getting a lot of questions about the status of COVID-19 vaccines for children. A Verify viewer asked us on Facebook about the status of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine for teens. So let's verify. Is Johnson & Johnson still planning to make its vaccine available for teens and young children? Our sources are Johnson & Johnson, an associate professor at the Rochester Institute of Technology, and the FDA. Pfizer was the first vaccine to get emergency use authorization for adults in December, followed closely by Moderna, then J&J in February. Professor Maureen Farron says that put J&J at a disadvantage.
I think that 3 months really put the Johnson & Johnson on a much slower track compared to the mRNA vaccines. And then they also had numerous rollout issues right after they got approval.
First, the FDA paused the distribution of the vaccine for 10 days following reports of a rare blood clot. Then there were months-long manufacturing issues at its Baltimore supplier, leading to even less availability. Today, more than 100 million Americans are fully vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine, 68 million with the Moderna, and less than 15 million with the J&J. Farron says the combined issues have caused further delays in expanding the J&J vaccine to teens and children.
The best I can see is they're looking out into 2022 now.
A J&J spokesperson told Verify it is planning 4 phase 3 studies in children and said there is still an unmet need to vaccinate kids, but did not provide a timeline. So it's true that Johnson & Johnson is still planning to make its vaccine available for teens and young children if it's proven safe and effective. The first group will likely be children ages 12 to 17, followed by rolling it out to even younger children, similar to Pfizer. With your Verify, I'm Arianne Datil.
And our Verify team is here for you. So if you have something you want us to look into, just text us.
916-321-3310, the number on your screen.